It's Monday, November 23rd, 2020. It is 9:28 and 22 seconds. Market opens in less than 2 minutes. First of all, I am not giving anyone financial advice. I'm just telling you what I see and I'm showing you how I trade. So please do not follow what I do. I'm just going to show you what I do. I was going to trade this morning, DPW, pre-market. I was going to buy it right before the market opened at its first green candle that it makes. It passes the previous red. But I didn't buy it because I wanted to see what it's going to do. Because all morning it's been failing all morning. So my goal was to buy it right here at this 302 mark for a ride up past the high of the day at market opening. However, I didn't do it. Should have, but I didn't. Currently watching Solo. It had a pullback on Friday. If you look back here, you'll see it's on reversal mode right now. So just maybe it'd be one worth buying. However, I haven't bought it yet. We got 30 seconds to the bell open. Three seconds. And let's watch it for a minute. See that? I would have bought it and it would have fell on me. Here come the move though. That's why you don't buy stocks that fails. Come on, how do you turn this thing off? There we go. Alright, look at that. I could have had it, but I didn't buy it. I knew it was gonna do it and I didn't buy it. I knew it. I didn't buy it. It happens. 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 I could have ran up to a quick 23 cents and been done by now. We're gonna watch for the first pullback. At least I'm gonna watch for the first pullback before I buy in. I could have hopped in back here, like I said earlier, at 302 for run up 323. You know, it'd have been $23 on a $300 investment. But now it's fading. IDEX, 27 million shares on 233 million share float. Don't like it. NAKD, you know I hate those penny stocks like that, those sub $1 stocks. FTEK, I missed that move as well. 921,000 on the 24 million share float. I missed it. Dropped the ball on that one, it looked like. That's the 5 minute. What we doing? Level 2. What we doing? I'm going to wait for one candle. I'm trying this new strategy out to try to wait one candle when the market opens before I buy anything. Look at F-Tech. It's moving, but it's not moving fast enough. I know it's going to sound like crazy, but it's not moving fast enough. So if I hop in right now, I'll probably only get like 10 cents on 200 shares. This new phone, I don't know how this thing works. How do you turn this thing on? I don't know. There we go. Alright. Let's see. IDEX is moving slowly but surely. But that float is way too large for me. DPW has dropped significantly. F-Tech still moving slowly but surely. Those are my top 4. BKYI, nothing. There go Beam. BONK. Reverse split. Slowly but surely, it's going. It's definitely going. I should have popped in, so I didn't. I'm going to put in the group But I forgot to put this, the move it made. Should have been in a long time ago. However, I didn't. That's what happens. But I don't trust it because the float is way too large. I'm not gonna trade that. I don't like the float. That's crazy. 238 million share float. That's way too many. See it now? That's way too many shares outstanding. DPW was leading gapper of the day. Let's watch the second candle, see what it does. We got 50 seconds before the candle pops in. But you look right here, you will see that it's been fading for the last 4 or 5 minutes. Let's watch right here. I drew this channel right here, pre-market of course, to show you what I thought it was going to do. And it's doing it. Let me look at my large account. I might make a quick scalp in my large account because I can buy more shares on IDEX. Now in a smaller account, it doesn't make sense to buy 100, 200 shares and then sell for like 10 cents. It's $20 and every dollar counts. Because we all know by now, the turtle wins the race, right? Look at IDEX right here. Check this out. This would be the buy-in point right here. We're going to retest the high today. Once we do that, I'm going to hop out of it. Now, you know I hate buying stocks that floats that large, but I couldn't resist on that one. Now, 10% is only $10, but I'm going to get a little more than that, hopefully. We're going to try to retest the high today. We're looking for this to curve. See that curvature? It's starting to curve. We want that. Look at level 2. Watch the buyers and sellers pile in there. When we pop high today, I'm going to sell right past high today. I mess around and hit $3 a day. I don't like shares again, floats again, shares again, or stocks again, how you want to call it, with large floats. It scares me. I don't like it. Let's watch this move right here. We're looking good. We're looking good. And also look up top here. See this HTB? Hard to borrow, right? Let's hop over for the sale. 10%, remember it's $10. I bought 100 shares, right? I'm gonna hover over this for a minute. When it pops high today, I'm gonna hop out of it. When it pops high today, it's gonna run. Watch this. I'm gonna draw a line here so I don't forget where it's at. I'm looking at everything. I'm on my cell phone. I'm at 10% now, $10 a pop. But I want this a little bit more. 25 cents, 10%, right? So we need to be 275. If it pop this point right here, we can hit 225. Where's PLM? Here we come. Here come the high today. I'm getting ready to sell and it pops it. There we go. There we go. There we go. All right. I'm hopping out of it. A minute in my large account as well. So rephrase that. Yeah, I am. IDEX. No, I'm not. I thought I was. So you gotta be careful when you're doing these videos. It throws you off a little bit in other areas. So I missed that. Hopefully it goes into a halt. I can make some money off it. Next stop is $3. Let's go. $3 next stop. Now, I got out of it because I only wanted 10% in my small account. I need to focus on the larger dollar, right? So I did 10% all day. 10%, 22 trading days in a month. That's 220% of your money, right? So look at it like that. Look at it as the fact that you're making 220% a month. Or, if you look at it for the year, over 2,500%. I don't know about you, but that's pretty good percentage. Just stair stepping, ABC pattern, perfect, right? Let me put in a group. Got a stair stepping. Oh, look at that pullback. I hopped out of it, luckily, in my small account, but profit taking right now. That's a big sharp movement. Hold on, putting stuff in the group. Let you guys know what's going on. So let me uncheck this. Don't want to make no errors. So I bought in back here at $251.81, right? 100 shares. Should have bought more, but I didn't. I don't know why I didn't buy more. I sold up here at $273, which is 23-cent gain, which was 9%. But I tried to sell at my high, $275, but it didn't go through. It sold at the nearest price available. So sometimes that happens. You can't get the price you want. It goes nearest price available. Look at these buyers piling in right here. You want to see that, right? I'm putting the group that buyers are piling in. Good trade, Sean. You're holding NET since 924. Golly, that's a wild, brother. That's a wild, brother. Let's look at NETE. NETE. What we got going here? Look at G-Tech fail. Look at Solo. There we go. Solo making that move right there. Let me look at NETE and see what's going on with that. Solo as well. I want to hop in Solo right fast, my large account. I'm trying to get this buy order for it, make that move and dismayed. God dang it. I'm trying to get in before that, but I missed it. In at 10.53 for a ride to $11. Let's see what happens right here. There we go. I meant to say in Solo, not NETE. I don't know how I said. Oh, I know why I was talking about that NETE. Let's look at NETE now. I don't see what it's doing this morning. Look quiet. What is NETE doing? I don't see nothing. Oh, the pullback right there for the reversal. I see what's going on over there. I see you, Sean. You must have sold it pre-market. Must get out of it pre-market. I'm gonna hop in NET right quick at 1370 for a quick ride to 1415. Make that 1425. I see it's moving the way I want it to move. So 1425 is my magic number. RA traded AYRO as an over weekend hold. And I traded KXIN today. Let me go to the group right fast. I'm putting down looking for $11 on solo. Sorry, that's the wrong thing. I put dolo, not solo. What's wrong with me? Solo. I'm typing too fast, trying to get all this stuff done, trying to commentate this video, as well as looking for 1425 on NETE that Sean called out. NETE. But you take what the market gives you. You can't just make up stuff and say, hey, this is a stock I'm going to buy, period, point blank. That's not how it works. Look up top here. I call $11, right? It's in the group. Look over here. I call 1425. It's in the group. G-Tech doing reversal right now. Buy-in point now would be 530-ish. G-Tech. 530. They're $11. You made money with me this morning? Good stuff, man. Making money today. That's what it's about. Let me go over here right quick. Let me see. G-Tech. G-Tech. No G-Tech. No G-Tech. No G-Tech yet. Got money on solo though, like I said. G-Tech. I called the buy-in point in the group at 530. So it should be up right now with some G-Tech. We gonna make money today. So my goal is a 530 buy-in for a ride to 560. So try to hop in this G-Tech for 530 and then route to 560. We almost 1425. Or did we pop it already? Let's see. NETE. Yeah, we popped it. Yeah. Because I'm out of it. I'm not in it right now. Okay. You made money on that NETE. Good stuff. Sean called it out in the group. You know, I wasn't even checking for it. I told it because I think I know what happened. I didn't want to put in the group a stock too expensive, but I sometimes put in something that's too expensive. And I know everybody not trading it, so I'd rather not even put in the group. Here go target buy-in point on DPW. Right here at 290. I'm out of G-Tech, I see. Good stuff, good stuff, good stuff. Looking for a ride on G-Tech to the high today, because it has no wall other than where it's at right now. So I want 330, 331, because we know by now 10 cents 10 cents target points are almost always the small resistance points you're going to cross. Big resistance points is going to be those $half and dollar marks. Before I forget, I put in the group DPW target buy-in was 290. So it's in there. You check the video you want to, it's there. Let's see who got some money. What are screenshots at, y'all, in the group? Trying to see who got some money today. We gonna make money all week. That's the American dream, right? You know, everybody want money, right? If you're in a group, you definitely want some money, for sure. Hold on, you guys. Let me see something right quick. 290. All right. Looking for high today on what's like this? DPW. And there it goes right there. About to pop high today. Remember I told you guys that $half marks and 10 cent marks are resistance points, right? So maybe, just maybe. Look at G-Tech over there. G-Tech rolling. G-Tech rolling. G-Tech is rolling. Hold on one second. All right, what is going on? G-Tech top right. You see it over there? Still rolling. What Chad talking about? I see you, Chad. I see you, man. I see you, player. All right, time on deck right now is 9:51. Got about 8 or 9 more minutes for this video. Trying to find some buy-in points right quick on other stocks in my portfolio. So I'm on my cell phone right now. She got this new cell phone last week from my wife. She bought me this iPhone 12 Max Pro. It's thing like a damn computer, man. I'm out of NETE, so HYLN, which is one of these EV stocks. Pulling back terrible right now. However, stocks move in waves, right? Stocks move in wave. I'm putting in a group looking at or watch HYLN for support levels. Then create a buy-in point. So that's what I would do. So that way you can get involved with this EV sector. See right here at DPW, it's still banging that line through, right? If it popped through that line, we go on the high today. Guarantee it. So what I'm about to do is go back into my long-term account and adjust my sell point from 325 to something a little higher as I'm watching it. Blow through it. There we go. 18, 18, 18. DPW. What we doing? Small little pullback. It happens. Profit taken. If it bounces off it again and doesn't blow through this point, I'm going to hop out of it. Sometimes you got to jump out and take what the market gives you, you know. Can't force trades. You can't force a price. If that's the case, we all be multi-billionaires, not millionaires, right? Let's watch this right quick. If it tops it again and don't go through it, I'm just hop out of it at this 317 area. Let's see. This candle here is crucial on my sale. It's indecisive. Look at this candle right here. The volume bar. It's red, green, it's gray. Indecisive. This candle's green, we good. Let's go. I'm gonna hop out of it in my large account. Just hop out of it. I don't like what it's doing. You don't like what it's doing? Just hop out of it. Keep on moving. Now I'm in this IDEX trade on my large account. What I'm gonna do is right now is average down. I think I'm down a couple dollars, and I don't like that. Let's watch and see what happens right here. So take out my my sell order that I had in, and average down just a couple cents, and then hop out of it. See the ABC stair step? See that? 1, 2, 3, right? My average price is 270. I'm gonna hop out of it at what's high day? 288. I'm gonna go 285. It's quick 15 cents because I averaged down. But again, as always, I'm gonna keep an eye on it as I'm trading it to watch for that pullback. All we need is a couple buyers to pop in right there, and we going for the move. So in the group, I'm gonna put down watch for this IDEX recovery. This candle right here is crucial. Where we at? Where we at? Where we at? Here we go. Watch for this IDEX recovery. This recovery gonna be big, y'all. I'm telling you. So it's in the group. Then we're gonna go here for a minute. Once it recovers, then look for high today. All right, There we are. Here come 270. Watch the 270 mark. The line is already drawn. You've seen it, been there for a while. Look down here. DPW. Break that, we gone. Solid candle, break that. Or make the support. Break that, make the support. We also gone. Over here on GTech, I already done that trade this morning. HYLN, haven't traded it yet. Watching for the recovery. Or defining support. Look at Chad, look at Chad. That's right, Chad. That's right, brother. That's the ticket, man. That's the ticket, brother. That's the ticket. All right. Let's go here for a minute. What time is it? 1 minute to 10 o'clock. So you know by now I'm a 10 o'clock kind of person. So when 10 hits, I cancel my video. I turn it off. But in this case, I'm only in one thing right now, and that's IDEX. And I want IDEX to pop this 270 mark. I average down, right? My buy-in now is 270. So I'm almost even at my buy-in point. But it's popping that point. It won't blow through it. I don't like what it's doing right there. I just want a quick 10 or 15 cents on it, and I'll be on my way, right? I'll be on my way. So there's the couple trades right there. And there is a couple trades right there. And there is 2 trades right there. So far, all my trades is green, except for IDEX, which I'm still holding right now because I wanted to break this 270 wall, not be on my daggone way. All right, all right, all right. Now you know by now, I don't like ending videos while I'm in a trade, but I'm gonna hold off for a couple more minutes because I don't want to end the video before this thing pops 270. So I'm gonna wait for a couple more minutes and see what happens right here. Look at all them buyers here. Look at all them daggone buyers, man. Not many sellers, but way more buyers. It's hard to borrow, so if you shorten it, you pay a premium to short it, and most people don't like paying premiums. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see. I'm posting my trades in my large account in the group. Buy-in target right here is 260, 26.55. We're gonna see what HYLN does. Oh, I missed it because I was typing stuff in the group. Don't like it. Don't like missing my stuff. $27 a target sale on HYLN. Meanwhile, daggone, this thing is acting crazy. IDEX. We put this in the group as well. Target sale price. Because we know by now that whole dollar amounts becomes huge resistance. Meanwhile, IDEX up here is acting crazy. Just blow past this line and call it a day. See that? HYLN. The green candle made another high. Meanwhile, over here, G-Tech is doing nothing. Sustaining. I'm gonna end this video because right now we at 35 minutes. I really don't want to, but man, this thing is taking forever to pop this point. It's gonna recovery right here on G-Tech. I'm already done with that stock for the day, so I don't really care. Let me add some more to the watch list before I end the video. As always, I got my stocks from my scanners to the left, and I always add those stocks into my watch list because if I got them on the scanner, it's something that I liked about it in my criteria, and it met it. So why not keep an eye on them for the movements? Makes sense, right? I think so. I think it makes perfect sense because how do I know what to trade if I don't see it? Right? My bread and butter is right here. My daily stock watch list. Moves over. This is my bread and butter. I trade everything from right here. I watch it at my scanners, right? But I only trade it from right here. Like my friend F-Cell. F-Cell is back. There go Mara. Damn, allergies kicking my butt. Weather change. I'm almost taking this out the way. I'm going to take this out the way in a second. Look up top though. It's pop 270. Took a while. So I'm gonna do is when I get done with this, put that sell order in, just hop out of it, probably break even. All right, let me go to my large account and go ahead and hop out of this IDEX. IDEX, cancel, replace the order for break even. Look at Tilray. This $27 mark over here. Keep banging that high point right there. I'm not trading this at all, so I'm already done. Look at Tilray. It has some news popped in just now. Been dumping all morning. Then some news comes in. The news is Tilray exchanged 124.3 million convertible senior notes for common stock. So far, it's not doing nothing. However, it's going to be over here on the watch list. It's down 6%. Let me put alert in here to remind me if it pops at $7 right here. If it does, I'll look back at it. Let me go down a little lower. We go 698. Hold on. Yeah, it worked. 96. So I'm going to get rid of that and go somewhere else to XPEV, which is what? Electric vehicles. But it's a Chinese stock. If you know by now, they manipulate a lot of their freaking market. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. However, if consensus says this thing's going to run up and the buyers are piling in like they usually are, consensus says you buy it. However, I'm not buying it right now. I don't like it. Is any news on it? No news, right? I'm going to hold off for a minute before I buy it, if I buy it. I'm watching for a minute. Look over here, though. Look down here. Green candle volume coming in. It's parallel. It want to go up. Let's watch it for a minute. $60. For a $61 ride. Oh, look here. DPW. It blew through it finally. Made a high today. My line is right there. It's been there for quite a while. $60, $50, $60, $50. I'm put 60, 60. That's my sell point. All right. Hold on, y'all. I'm trying to put some stuff in here right quick. On this DPW. There goes DPW. High of day. HOD means high of day. All right. I'm still in the IDEX. I'm a sell break even with 270. So it pops 270, which you're going to end up popping it and making a support. I'm going to go in and hop out of it and call it a day once it pops 270. But I don't want to end this video without showing you this move is going to make, which it has to. What goes up must come down, right? We know that by now. Let's watch, let's watch, let's watch, let's watch, let's watch. Say 272. Parallel, sell, sell, indecisive. Watch this green candle. It's become a large green candle. It's gonna run up. That's the volume bar. Remember, it pops up. We good. My sell point is 270. That's my even point, which is also resistance. If you look here, you'll see the buyers and sellers popping in. There's more buyers and sellers right now, but they move and they sell out the way and they buy. So what's happening is a lot of fake outs occurring. They'll put their sell order in, whatever, and it gets to that point almost, they pull it out because they don't want to short it too soon, or vice versa. You want to take profits too soon. So a lot of times, what I would do is I'll put a buy order in at a certain point, and I'll move it on the axis. You know by now how I move it. I just click on it and move it up and down the axis. If I don't like what it's doing, I'll move it. If I like what it's doing, I'll move it down to buy in immediately, right? Rephrase that. If I buy it above the price, I push anywhere above the price, it's going to buy it at the current price. So what I meant to say was, I put a buy order at a low point. And if it ain't reached that point yet, I move it down lower or higher to where I see a buy-in may occur, a good buy-in target. And selling, I put sell order like way up. A lot of times I put it way up there to the extreme. Like in this point, I would put sell order at 290, 295, which is above the high today. And I see it rising, I slide it up, up, up as it's chasing. So kind of like chasing me on the way up, right? I look at the volume bar, the level 2, and see the movement, and I see it moving pretty fast. I move my sell order up, up, drag it, or I go to the axis and drag it that way. Either way, I'm going to sell it at my target point. So sometimes it backfires because you're being too greedy and you'll miss your point sometimes, but not a lot of times. So with that being said, be careful when you're making those buy and sell orders. You can adjust it on the axis how you want it. Like example, if I was to go over here and make a trade in this right here, I can drag it up and down the axis. I push it and drag it. I push it and drag it, right? To adjust my my sell price or buy price. So I'm still watching the video because I want to show you guys my sell at above 270 or at 270. It wants to hit it. Not looking good down here. It's looking okay. This is what's concerning me. This volume bar here also concerning me. We need one of these long green bars, right? And there go the drop. Alright, for real, 4 minutes more, I'm in this video. It'll be almost an hour. And that's way too long for videos. And I don't mind making it long as possible. As long as you need it to be. But sometimes I think it's way too long. Let's go to F-Tech. I'm done with this. So F-Tech is my next point I'm looking at. Look at F-Tech go. Straight bullish. F-Tech is straight bullish. F-Tech bullish. Now, if it moves too fast or too many buyers come in at one point, it'll halt on volatility. That's what you want. You want to halt on volatility. You want to see a halt. That way, you can make your money, right? I'm going to hop in right quick for a quick 20 cents. It want to halt on volatility. I promise you it does. Remember, if a candle has more than 10% of the price of that stock on one 1 minute candle, it halts on volatility. As far as 5 minutes go, we A1. See that? We A1. Straight curve up. Video ends in 2 minutes. Let's look at NYO. 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 I got 1 minute. I'm in the video. 1 minute. I'm in the video. By the way, my order didn't get filled. My price I had limit order set on FTech. My point didn't hit, so I didn't buy in. I don't always buy at market. I buy market when I'm doing videos because I don't want to show me information, most information of my account. So I won't, usually I don't sell or buy market. Limit on my videos. The only way I buy market in my large account is if it's moving so fast. I missed the buy-in points, or I missed the halt on volatility. All right, it's 10:20, you guys. So been a 55-minute long video, way longer than I like it to be. With that being said, I made one trade in my small account, as you see here. I bought in 100 shares, 251, sold at 273, same 100 shares. Should have bought more, but didn't. I waited for the first 5-minute candle to show itself, and I bought in right there. With that being said, one trade away.